Sometimes you could be in school, you're playing for a team, and it's natural for those around you, especially if you're performing well, and your friends to cheer you, right? And sometimes when people cheer you and they give you this positive feedback, you tend to become arrogant. That's why the human being always has to draw a line. Always has to draw a line. When others praise you or when others give you feedback, immediately recognize in your heart or fall into prostration and say, oh Allah, you are the one who gave me the success. It's not from me. It's through your blessings. That protects you from arrogance. Don't start to believe that, yes, I'm the one who made those achievements. Because when you hear a lot of cheering, it gets to you. We're human beings, it changes us. So you actually have to do things to break the arrogance in your soul. Let me share with you an example that happened with two maraja decades ago. There were two maraja in Najaf. They visited one another. One of them went to visit the other one. One of them was higher in ranking than the other one. He was more followed, had a more senior ranking in the seminary. They got into an interesting intellectual debate. The higher ranking scholar was able to own the debate. Basically, he brought more proofs and evidence, and those in the gathering, they kind of like cheered him. MashaAllah, you have the right opinion. See, he got praised. When you get praised, what do? You just leave and go and sleep that night, Alhamdulillah, MashaAllah. No, do something in order to discourage the nafs from attacking you and getting stronger and stronger. You know what he did? As they finished the gathering, he got up, he was farewelling the other marja, saying bye to him. Suddenly he bowed, he kissed the hand of the lower ranking scholar. He kissed his hand and he left. It was a shocking moment. Just imagine this, a shocking moment. His followers, when they left, they told him, are you out of your mind? Are you crazy? You, the great marja who's higher, you kissed the hand of the other scholar? This is inappropriate, aib. You're not supposed to do this. You know what he said to them? He said, when I won the debate and you guys praised me, I felt something in my heart finding joy. So I told my nafs, listen, if you want to be joyful, I will break you. And I will do something, even if it's inappropriate for me socially to do. But I want to teach you a lesson. Never have the audacity to overpower me. And my nafs was saying, no, you're not going to do it. You're not going to. I said, I'll prove it to you. So I stepped on my nafs. I went and I kissed his hand. And I told my nafs, next time you try to act smart with me, I'll do even more. My nafs said, no, it's okay. Let's leave it there. Let's leave it there. Now you might look at this and say, okay, this is kind of silly, but that's how a believer operates. Whenever he sees the nafs is moving, right, he puts a red line. When you put that red line, your nafs will know its limits. Once it knows its limits, you don't have that problem.